Do you have experience in online advertising and CPA marketing? Have you ever worked with affiliate networks? Affiliate networks can be a great way to make money, but they can have complications. For example, you might have applied to many ad campaigns only to be rejected every time. Once you're in a campaign, link generation can be inconvenient and time-consuming. We understand problems like these and have made a solution, the AdMetad extension for Google Chrome. You have access to 9,300 advertisers. Ad space moderation is not required. Use this service for no cost. Everything you need for a quick start. Links are generated quickly, in one click, directly on the advertiser's website. Link generation is on average 10 times faster. Access to foreign markets including Europe and the US. American, European, and worldwide advertisers. Only verified and reliable offers. AdMetad has been operating in the US and European markets for 10 plus years with a reputation for publisher service. To start, install the AdMetad extension in Google Chrome and get registered. You can use social media to easily register. Enter a product or service of your choice in Google search. Select the online stores marked with ad. Choose an online store website, open the extension, and copy the link. Make a review or write an article about the product, then add the link into the description. Receive a percentage-based commission for each purchase made via your link. Install the AdMetad extension and increase your profit.